Today we're reviewing the Samsung microwave oven. Okay, let's begin. Here. Open. Your face is barely not coming in the video. And your face came in the video. Hey, I want to do this. No, hey, I'm going to do the big one.
The staple. So be careful. So, can you take that out for me and give it to me? Thank you. Don't break the
Okay,
plate.
now I'm going to do this.
The plate, you gotta give it to me.
This is a huge plate.
Yeah, I'll take it out.
No,
You don't want to break the glass. Can you give it to me? Please.
It's very heavy.
Huge.
Huge. That means it's... Put that aside?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. A whole lot of packing.
That was cool.
And it's big. How are we going to get it out of here?
Can you pause it? So I'll take it out.
Wait. I can't... You guys stay there. I'm not gonna damage the body.
Oh no, you just have to unstick the tape. I'll do it. No. You just rip it. Same thing with the other side. I'll help. No, don't pull all of it. Just in case. Now open the microwave. Oh my God, it's started. There you go. No. When you open it, it comes out. When you open it, it comes out. Press the button.
Oh, this
The black
like
one.
A button?
At the top. The one on top.
Oh, this is like
Yeah,
a button.
now that thing comes out. There you go. So, it's a huge microwave. What are all these things? What are the things you can cook? Say.
Popcorn,
And?
potatoes, pizza, veggie, beverage, reheat, defrost, stuffed, and melt. Snack, kids meals.
And there's a book in there. User manual.
Wait,
This
where's
is the
like
manual.
the turntable thing? Did you
Okay.
put it?
I'll get it. Hold this. First I gotta take the manual out.
Also take this sticky tape off. Is that it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we plugged the microwave in. It says 1201.
We'll change it later. Okay. Okay, test it out.
So, let's test this out.
Okay.
Okay guys, so we're going to test out the microwave.
How?
By putting some water in it, see if it heats up.
Okay.
And 30 seconds.
Okay. In goes the bowl. Don't spill it. Close.
Here we go.
Are you gonna do a quick 30 seconds?
Yep.
There is quick 30 seconds right next to the start button. Can you do stop or cancel? No, stop or cancel, which is next to the 30-second button. Yeah, now you do 30 seconds and start.
Here we go.
Start.
Nice buzzing. Very quiet, right? It's quite quiet, right?
Quite quiet.
Yeah. Is
Quite
it
quiet.
Is it quiet?
What is that thing called?
Oh, but is it quiet?
Yeah.
Not
It's
quiet.
quiet enough, I guess.
Well, a normal microwave is just loud. It's a pretty normal microwave. And it's because we have that Samsung roof microwave as well.
Okay, let's try. Open it.
Here we go! No, I don't want to touch it.
It's not gonna be that hot. It's only 30 seconds. Okay, take the bowl out slowly. Both hands. Okay, put your finger in.
You put your finger in it.
Ooh, hot. You do yours. Quick dip.
Yeah, quite hot.
All right. So it works.
It's a pretty powerful microwave. Yeah. Bye. Bye.